This is a 2022 Ford F250 Super Duty. It's a Lariat edition. It's got the 6.2 V8 gas motor. We just did a nice custom catback dual exhaust system out the side. Nice 4-inch roll tips on there with a Magnaflow single in dual out muffler. Kept it all 3-inch as it came from the factory, but eliminated the mid muffler that had a dual in and single out there. Just put a nice custom Y pipe in it. Truck has a aftermarket lift kit in it, so we had to modify the angle of the catalytic converter so it wouldn't rub on the drive shaft. Other than that, it's got the factory catalytic converters in there. Customer just wants a little bit of rumble, not too much. Let's see what it sounds like. Purr to it, not too bad. Kind of lays down when you're running down the highway.